Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to teach how to regroup whole number place values. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Let's take a look what we have here. So our first question is 6,000 equals how many hundreds? All right, so we've got place values here. So we got ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, right? So we know that ones, okay, tens is what? 10 ones, right? And hundreds is hundreds ones, right? And thousands is thousands ones, right? So if we have 1,000 here, okay, 1 0 0 0. That means it's 1,000 ones, right? And how many tens? If we have thousands here, it's basically 100 tens, right? 100 tens. Okay. In other words, we got what? 100 times 10, right? Because it's tens. So hundreds times 10 equals what? Equals 1,000, right? So that's 100 tens. So if we got hundreds, that's what? Okay, that will be 10 hundreds, right? So that will be 10 hundreds. So that's 1 0. Why is that? So we got 10 hundreds, right? So 10 times hundreds, we have 1,000, right? Okay, so, and if it's thousands, it's basically 1,000, right? So it's quite obvious. So let's get back to the 6,000, okay? So we have 6,000 here, so we have thousands, so we got 6,000s. Okay, so 0 hundreds here, 0 tens, right? And 0 ones, right? So how many hundreds? So according to our previous logic, there will be 60 hundreds, right? So we got hundreds place here, okay? And we just included the number on the left. So we got 60 hundreds. All right, so that's how we can solve this question here. So let's expand it a little bit. So we got 60 hundreds here. So, but how many tens, right? How many tens again? How many tens? So once we take a look at this here, and what we just learned of how we can solve with thousands, that's basically 100 tens, right? So now we have 6,000. So how many tens? We got here 6 0 and 0, right? So together it's 600. So basically until here, so we got 600 tens, right? So 600 tens, so times 10. We got 6,000 here, right? Or easily say 6,000 ones, right? If we want to know how many ones there, it's 6,000 ones. Okay, so let's take a look at our second number or second question. So we got 50 tens. So how many hundreds, right? So first, easily here we got 50 tens. I can just write 50 here. Okay, 50 at tens place. Okay, 50 tens, and there's no ones, right? So we need to fill in the ones. So it's basically 0 ones. All right. So once we look at this number, it looks like 50 and 0, right? So that's what? That's 500, right? So once we have the 5 here, once we have the 50 here, what we're gonna do with it, right? So we will have 0 here, and we need to put 5 here, right? So because the 5 there is hundreds, right? So now it's quite obvious, right? So with 50 tens, we've got 0 here and 5 here. So it's basically 500. Okay, so that's why 50 tens equals 500. All right, in other words, if we want to know how many ones is this number, it's basically 500 ones, right? Because we got 5, 0, and 0. Basically, together it's 500. Okay, so in other way, we can calculate as this. So 50 tens, we got 50 and tens, right? So times 10, it equals what? Equals 500, right? So, and we just need to rewrite 5 from the tens place here, 200s, okay, 200s place, and keep the 0 here because it's the tens place, okay? That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.